Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. In this Task 1 response, in this points, the writer tells a friend about moving to a new apartment and invites them to visit. If you need more time to read the full answer, feel free to pause the video now. The email includes all 3 required points. The writer provides the new address and a short description, a 1-bedroom unit on the 3rd floor. They explain why they moved and invite the friend with a clear plan. How about next Saturday afternoon? The message starts with a friendly greeting, and the first sentence clearly says the purpose of the email. Each paragraph focuses on one topic, which makes the email easy to follow. Since this is a personal email to a friend, the tone is informal but polite, which is perfect for this situation. You'll notice simple linking words like also, because, and so that help connect ideas. The words traffic and neighborhood are good examples of stretch vocabulary. These words are more advanced but still useful for daily conversation. One helpful tip for beginners is always include 1 or 2 short examples in your writing. For instance, the writer talks about having coffee on the balcony. Small details like that help your reader picture what you mean and make your email more interesting. This answer clearly explains why the writer chose option A, which is to pick up garbage. If you'd like more time to read the full answer, please pause the video now. The response gives two strong reasons. One is about helping the park look clean and welcoming, and the other is about how easy the job is for everyone. The writer also uses examples to support their ideas, like families will come and enjoy it, and children and seniors can help. These examples show the writer is thinking about the whole community. The structure is easy to follow. There's an introduction that says which option is chosen, then two body paragraphs with reasons, and finally, a short conclusion. The tone is friendly and semi-formal, which is just right for this kind of task. We also see helpful linking words like first of all, also, another reason, and in conclusion. These words help the reader follow the writer's ideas. The stretch vocabulary includes tourists and welcoming. These words are a little harder, but they are used correctly and clearly. One useful tip for beginners is to keep your ideas simple and clear. Don't try to use difficult words. Just focus on giving two good reasons and a short example for each. That will help your answer stay strong and well organized. In this answer, the writer gives a clear opinion in support of option B, painting fences and cleaning benches. You can pause the video now if you need more time to read the full answer. The writer gives two strong reasons. First, they explain that fixing old or damaged public things makes the neighborhood look fresh. Second, they say this kind of work is fun and helps people feel connected. These are practical ideas, and the writer uses examples like some benches are dirty and talk, laugh, and work together to make the reasons stronger. The structure is easy to follow. There's one sentence at the start saying the choice, then two short body paragraphs with reasons and examples. The answer ends with a short conclusion. The style is semi-formal and polite, which is good for this survey task. The writer uses helpful linking words like firstly, also, and to sum up. These show how the ideas are connected. The stretch words damaged and environment are used well and are easy to understand in context. A good tip for beginners is to start your answer with a simple sentence that clearly says your choice. Then add two short reasons with examples. That's a clear and easy way to do well on this task.